Hi, good morning. How are you today? Very good. I hope you are always good and doing good and better. Anyway, I am Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Okay. So this morning, our subject is mathematics. All right. Again, our subject for today is mathematics. So before we are going to start our lesson for today, let's do have a recap. Okay, who among you can remember what we talked about in mathematics the last meeting? All right, we're talking about the less than and greater than. All right, so let me share with you my PowerPoint here. Okay, there you go. So the last meeting, we are talking about the less than and greater than, all right? So first, welcome to our class, the primary one English program. And then our subject for today is mathematics. Okay. I know you really love to count numbers. I know numbers is your favorite, right? Okay. So our topic for today is about how to order the numbers, meaning to say ordering the numbers. Okay, teacher, what does it mean when we say ordering numbers? Okay, later on, you will know how to order the numbers. All right? Okay, but so we have here comparing and ordering the numbers. Now, the last meeting, you know how to compare the numbers, the less than and greater than. And you were able to compare the numbers, who is the less than, who is the greater than. This morning, our topic will be about ordering the numbers. But before we are going to proceed to our lesson, for today, let's do have a review, okay? So let's have some review. Okay, can you remember what do we call this sign? This is what we call the greater than, and then the blue one is what we call the less than. Very good. Now, this is what we call the greater than. The sign of the greater than is like this. And take note, from the left to right, the number from the left side is bigger than the number to the left side. So we use the greater than. Very good. And then the less than, if the left side is small going to the right side as big, so we use as less than. Very good. Say for example for this, on the left side, we have 3 strawberries. On the right side, we have only 2 strawberries. So we use the greater than because the left side is 3 and the right side is 2. Therefore, 3 is greater than 2. That's right. Okay, another one example. On the left side, we have 6 boxes. On the right side, we have only 5 boxes. So therefore, 6 is greater than 5. Okay? Okay, how about the less than? On the left side, we have only 2 triangles. On the right side, we have 5 triangles. So therefore, 2 is less than 5. So we have to use the sign of less than. And then another one. On the left side, we have only 3 rectangles. On the right side, we have 4 rectangles. 3 is less than 4. So therefore, 3 is less than 4 because 3 is just fewer, but 4 is more than 3. So we use 3 as less than to 4. All right. All right. So this morning, let's proceed to our new lesson for today. As what I have said, my objective for today is for you to be able to know how to order the numbers from small to greater or smallest to greatest. And then the other side, you will be able to learn how to order the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, so that is our topic for today about how to order the numbers from smallest to greatest and then greatest to smallest. Okay, so what are those differences between this? Okay, so let's start here. So we have here, let's start with the smallest to greatest. Again, from small to greater, from smallest to greatest. Say for example, we have here, from the left side, we have here the small box. And then after that, we have here the next, the smallest, the smaller, and then the biggest. So therefore, from small to big, it should be arranged as smallest to greatest. So this is an example for a smallest to greatest. And how about the numbers? Okay, let's check with the numbers. Again, let's focus first about the smallest to greatest. Say, for example, we have here what we call the balls. We have 3 balls. Next, we have 4 balls. We have 5 balls. What else? We have also 6 balls. So we have 6 balls. So how we are going to arrange the number from smallest to greatest? So let's start. First, we have to arrange the number from smallest to greatest. So let's start from 3. What's next? It should be 4. Next, it should be 5. And then after 5, of course, the last but not the least, it should be 6. So that is how you are going to arrange the number from smallest to greatest. Again, this is how you are going to order the numbers from smallest to greatest. The smallest is 3 and the greatest is 6. So arrange the number from smallest to greatest, and then the answer must be 3, next 4, next 5, and then the last one is 6. Now, another one. Again, let's focus from the smallest to greatest. Okay, again, smallest to greatest. So how we are going to arrange the number, or how to order the number, ordering the number. Okay, so we have A, B, and C. Again, we have A, B, and C. So the A, B, and C. So we have the birds. How many birds? We have In the group A, so we have 6 birds. On group B, we have 3 birds. On group C, we have 4 birds. Now, this time, let us order the number from smallest to greatest. So the answer must be letter B. First is the letter B as the smallest. Next is letter C, which is 4. And the greatest number is letter A, which is we have 6 birds. So, how to order the number from smallest to greatest? The answer must be first, letter B as the smallest, next letter C, which is 4, and then the greatest is letter A because letter A has the greatest number of birds. Very good. Now, again, let's do have the smallest to greatest. The given is, all right, so we have 4 boxes here. So we have 4 boxes here. We have A, B, C, and D. Okay, let's check the number for letter A. For the box A, we have 4 candies. For box B, we have 5 candies. For the box C, we have 3 candies. And for the box D, we have only 2 candies. All right, so how we are going to order the numbers from smallest to greatest? So what is the correct answer? Let's start with which of the boxes is the smallest. The smallest is letter D because it only have 2 candies. And after letter D, which of the following is the next? That is letter C. Very good. There is 3 candies. And after letter C, what is the next? It's letter A. Very good. We have 4 candies on the box A. And the last one, the greatest number is the box B because there is 5 candies inside the box of box B. Okay, so we have to arrange the number or to order the number that is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Another one. Order the number from smallest to greatest. Okay, say for example, we have here A, B, and C. So letter A is 7, letter B, letter A is 7, letter B is 2, letter C is 6. Okay, let us order the number from smallest to greatest. Okay, the first is, the smallest is letter B, which is 2. Next is letter C, which is 6. And then after that, letter A, because A is 7. 7 is the greatest number among the 3 choices. Okay, let's have another one. Smallest to greatest. Again, smallest to greatest. So the given number is like this. We have 6, 3, 7, 1, 4, and 9. So let us order the number from smallest to greatest. Okay, the first answer is 1. 1 is the smallest. After 1 is 3. And after 3 is 4. And after 4, we have 6. And after 6, we have 7. And the greatest number is 9. Very good. Again, to order the number from smallest to greatest, so we have 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 9. Okay? All right, another. Smallest to greatest. Again, smallest to greatest. So we have trains. So we have trains here. So how we are going to do? So we have here. So we have 1, 2, 6, 5, 7, 0, and 4. Now, let us order the numbers from smallest to greatest. Again, let us order the numbers from smallest to greatest. But how? Okay, so the smallest number is 0. And after 0, what's next? It's very good. It's 1. And after 1, we have 2. And after the 2 is, what's the next? It's 4. And then after 4 is 5. And then after 5 is 6. And the greatest number is 7. The smallest number is 0. And 7 is the greatest number. Did you understand? Very good. Now, this time, let's talk about greatest to smallest. Again, greatest to smallest. Say, for example, we have the big triangle. And next is, and then the smallest triangle. So this is an example how to order the things, the object or numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, again, we are talking about the greatest to smallest. How about in application of the numbers? So let's check. Order the numbers from greatest to smallest. Say, for example, so we have balls here. So let's check the balls. We have 3 balls. We have 4 balls. We have 5 balls. And then the last one, we have 6 balls. So how we are going to order the numbers from greatest to smallest? So the answer must be start from the greatest. So which of the following is the greater number, the greatest number? Of course, number 6. And after 6 is 5. And after 5 is 4. And after 4 is 3. So that is how you are going to order the numbers from greatest to smallest. 6, 5, 4, and 3. 6 is the greatest number and 3 is the smallest number. All right, next. Greatest to smallest. Again, greatest to smallest. So our given here is So we have here A, B, and C. Let's check letter A. So on letter A, we have 6 birds. On letter B, we have 3 birds. And letter C, we have 4 birds. Now, the question is, how to order the number from greatest to smallest? So the answer starts from letter again. The answer starts from the greatest. In which of the following is the greatest number? The greatest number is letter A, because letter A have 6 birds. And after letter A, what is the next? It's letter, very good, it's letter C, because in letter C, there is 4 birds. And the smallest number is letter B, it's 3. So 6 is the greatest, 3 is the smallest. Very good. Now, another one, greatest to smallest. So we have here 4 boxes. Again, we have 4 boxes. We have A, B, C, and D. In letter A, there is 4 candies or 4 sweeties. In letter B, we have 5 sweeties or 5 candies. In letter C, we have 3 sweeties or 3 candies. And for letter D, we have 2 sweeties or 2 candies. So order the number, again, ordering the number from greatest to smallest. So the answer is letter B, 5. And after 5, it's letter A. It's 4. And after letter A, we have, what's next? It's letter C. Very good. And then the smallest number is letter D, because it only have 2 candies or 2 sweeties. So 5, 4, 3, and 2. 5 is the greatest number and 2 is the smallest number. So that is how you are going to order the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay? Now, greatest to smallest. We have A, B, and C. And letter A, we have 8. Letter B is 4. And letter C is 0. So how we are going to order the numbers from greatest to smallest? So the answer starts from letter A. It's 8. Next is letter B, 4. And then next is letter C. It's 0. So that is how you are going to order the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay? Another one. Greatest to smallest. So we have here the choices. And the given number are the following. We have 6, 3, 7, 1, 4, and 9. So order the numbers from greatest to smallest. So which of the following is the first answer? Okay, that is 9. And after 9 is 7. And after 7 is 6. And after 6 is 4. And after 4 is 3. And the smallest number is 1. Therefore, 9 is the greatest number and 1 is the smallest number. Okay? Okay, another one. Greatest to smallest. So we have here The given numbers are the following: 1, 0, 6, 8, 5, and 4. Now, let us order the numbers from greatest to smallest. Which of the following is the greatest number? Very good. The greatest number is 8. And after 8 is 6. And after 6 is 5. And after 5 is 4. And after 4 is 1. And the smallest number is, very good, it's 0. So therefore, 8 is the greatest number and 0 is the smallest number. Okay, so that's very easy. So on your workbook, you are going to answer on your workbook how to order the numbers from smallest to greatest and greatest to smallest. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy with our lesson. Have a good day. Sawadee Krap and bye-bye. Thank you so much. I miss you so much.